There are two different ways you can make money from this platform, guys. I'm going to show you the easy steps I use to make money in this platform. I earn passive income daily without much stress, and if you look at my screen now, you can see my withdrawal proofs in this platform, and you can equally earn this amount of money daily by just doing these simple two things in this platform. So what you need to do first is to create your account using your email address and then put in your password. Once you get registered, you're going to see this announcement. This is a pop-up. So if you read this announcement, you'll see that in VIP1 you'll be earning 1.5 USDT daily, and in VIP2 you see daily income is 8.5 USDT. You see VIP3 daily income is 36 USDT. Guys, I make this daily and you can see it in my screen now. These are withdrawal proofs, and you can also do this in daily basics. So if you scroll down, you're going to see different people withdrawing from this platform, and as you can see, this person is withdrawing 470 USDT. This guy is withdrawing 55 USDT. So guys, this is awesome. Let me show you the simple things you need to do in this platform. Just click on this VIP here. You're going to see different levels of earnings in this platform, and they have the level, they have the amount of money you'll be earning here. So if you look at this Kroger one, you see daily tax is one tax. So like I told you, there are two different ways you can make money in this platform. So one is by upgrading to any of the VIP here. So I'm going to show you the second one. So if you look at this place, you see daily tax is 1 and your daily profit is 1.5 USD. So per order is 1.5. So monthly you'll be earning 45 USDT. So the amount you need to upgrade to this is just 9 USDT. So if you look at this now, this Kroger 2 and your daily tax is 1 and daily profit is 8.5 USDT. So monthly you'll be earning 255 USDT. So you only need 49 USDT to join this Kroger 2. So guys, this is awesome. So if you look at this, you see that the higher the level, the higher the amount of money you'll be earning here. And you can see this Kroger 5. You can see you need 799 USDT to join this, and your daily profit is 1,550 USDT. Guys, this is very awesome. So any of them that you want to join, just come straight to home here and then scroll up. You are going to see recharge. So any of them that you want to unlock, just click on recharge. I want to unlock VIP1 now to show you how you can do it every day and start making money for yourself. So once you click on recharge, you're going to see this wallet address. Copy it and send 9 USDT if you want to recharge, or you want to unlock VIP1, just send 9 USD to this wallet address. So if you want VIP2, just send 49 USD to this wallet address. So I'm going to send 9 USDT because I want to use VIP1 to show you, for instance, how you can start making money in this platform. And I'll copy this wallet address now, transfer 9 USD to this wallet address. Remember, this is USDT and this wallet address. Don't use any other network to send to this wallet. So guys, if you look at this place now, you can see that I've deposited 9 USDT in my wallet address now. So once you deposit in your wallet, just come straight to team VIP. You see that VIP1, I've unlocked VIP1 now, so this is effective. So come straight to home now. So when you come to home, this is the VIP1 which I've unlocked. You can see other ones are still locked. So I've unlocked VIP1 now. So click on this VIP1. So when you click on it, you see different tasks you'll be doing in daily basis to earn profit. So I'm going to do this first tax now. So I'm click on it and then click on submit. So you see payment successful. So if you come back to my mind here, you see I've 10.5 USDT, which means I've earned 1.5 USDT here. So I'm going to withdraw this money now to my wallet address. So if I want to withdraw this money, just come straight to withdraw. Then you see I'm going to add my withdrawal method here. So I'll click on submit to add my withdrawal method. So click on add withdrawal method. I'm going to add USDT administrative wallet address. I'm going to add it here and then put my withdrawal transaction password and click on submit. So successful. So since I've added my withdrawal method now, I can now come back here to withdraw. So I'll put the amount which I want to withdraw, which is 1.5 USDT. Then payment password, you put it in this down column here. So select withdrawal method, which is the wallet address I have added. Then click on submit. You see validation for withdrawal successful. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to check my wallet now to know if this money has been deposited in my wallet. So guys, if you look at my wallet address now, you see that I've been credited now. This is 1.5 USDT. I've been credited in my wallet now. So that's how you can withdraw money from this platform straight to your wallet address. And then the second way you can also make money from this platform is by coming to team here. So when you come to team, you can see that when you refer your friends, you can earn more money in this platform. So you can come here to copy your referral link, and each friend you refer will be earning 13% deposit bonus from every of our friends deposit in this platform. So you can make a whole lot of money from referring your friends in this platform. So you can rush in and start making money for yourself. But guys, don't forget to do your own research and Do with your money whatever you wish. I'm not a financial advisor. Thanks guys for watching. See